Alright, welcome to the video guys. Today I have 7 features on WhatsApp I want to show you, which I think are very cool. You may have seen some of them and not seen others too. So let me know in the comments which ones you've seen and which ones are new to you from this video. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to jump onto my phone right now, have my WhatsApp open. So let me just choose this WhatsApp. I have several of them, so let me use this one. Okay, so we are in WhatsApp now. So the first thing I want to talk about is from the updates tab, which is this one. So if I go to my updates, the first feature here is that now if you try to add a new status, you realize that you can now add music to the status. So for example, let me choose any of this video. And you see the first thing you see here, there's a button here called music. This is similar to how on Instagram you can add music to your reels, your normal posts, or even your story, right? So if I tap on it, it will bring up a list of all popular artists in your country. So here it says popular in Ghana. So I can go to the list and choose whatever I want. I think I've seen MMC. So if you tap on the arrow here, it will add it to your video and you can even edit it to the timeline. Very, very cool. Next up, on the same updates page too, now you can also add filters if you are taking pictures or adding a photo to your status. So let me choose camera. Let me switch to my face. So as you can see, let me just tap on this icon. So you can see here there's new icon for filters and you can go through them one by one, which is very cool. Black and white looks cool. And you can even add backgrounds to it as well. So you can choose any background and add it to your picture and post it on your status. Now the next thing I want to show you is on the calls tab. So if I go to the calls here, there's new things that have been added here. So first of all, there's this arrow that you can see here, this plus icon is new. So if you tap on the plus, it brings up a menu where you can now go through some various options. Let's go through them one by one. So the first one is the new call link. So if I tap on new call link, it will ask you to generate the link. But before you generate it, there's an option called call type. So on this page now, I can choose the call type. So I can choose either video or voice. And then I can share via WhatsApp, or I can copy the link and share, or can share directly, or even add it to my calendar so that I can even become like an event, right? Which is very cool. So WhatsApp allows you to now create a link for your video and your voice calls. Secondly, you can now do what we call a number. So now if you tap on this, it will bring up a dialer screen where you can dial any number you want. And when you dial a number, let me use a random one, for example, it will even tell you whether the number is on WhatsApp or not. So it says not on WhatsApp, and you can call it, and it will ask you to choose to call via your carrier, meaning that to do a normal voice call, which is very cool. Before we move on to the next step, if you're enjoying the video, make sure you like the video, leave a comment, and share with your friend, and then subscribe to the channel as well. Let's move on to the next set of features. So the next one is on the chats tab. So now in your chats, let me just pull up small. You can see that there's a new place called there's a list view here. You can see there's unread, favorites, and all that. You can now create your own set of lists. So I see I've created ones for buddies, party boys, and all that. So if you tap on the plus sign here, you can now create a custom list. So let me say, you can just say boys. You can call it boys or whatever you want. And then you can add the people or groups to this list. So let me choose this and then maybe choose random numbers. And then I click on the add and will now create a list for me that I can filter all my chats by. So that's a very cool thing now. So you can have a custom list created for you. So you can group certain kind of groups or people in a list. The next feature is that when you are in a chat with someone and the person sends you a voice message, you can now transcribe the voice message, which is very great. So as you can see here, I can press and hold this and I tap on transcribe, and it will now transcribe the text that the person sent to me. So you can see here, that was this I was doing. So here's how to activate this transcribe feature. So go to your settings, go to chats. Now you can see an option called voice message transcript, which if I enable for myself, I can disable it like this and enable it again. And when you do it the first time, it will ask you to choose a language you want to choose for the transcription. I'll choose the USA and change it to it, so that now anytime I have a chat that the person has sent me a voice message, I can simply just press and hold and transcribe it, and then that's it. And the last feature is very useful if you're somebody who likes to chat in a group a lot, like video call in a group or voice call in a group. You know, currently if you want to have a video call with your group members, the call goes out to everybody, which is not very convenient. So now you're able to choose which participants you want to join on the call, especially for large groups. Let me show you how you do that. So I have a group here called 30 December. And let's say I want to make a call to this group chat. So I can just tap on a video or voice call you can now see that I have an option to either call the whole group or just choose who to call. So if I tap on the members, I can select which people I want to add to the call, tap on the call, and then the call will start. And just those people will be invited to the call or be alerted to the call to join in, not the whole group will see that the call has started, which is very awesome. So these are the 7 features I found very cool and useful to share with you guys. Let me know if I missed any of them in the comment section, and maybe I'll add it to the next set of lists I do on WhatsApp. Check out this video on how to make money with your WhatsApp status. And also, if you want to have more features on your iPhone as a WhatsApp user, check out this video where I walk you through 17 special features you can have on your WhatsApp on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.